नमस्कार दोस्तों, मेरा नाम शशिकांत है। आपका चैनल पे स्वागत है। ये चैनल सिविल इंजीनियरिंग इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चंस और आंसर्स के लिए डेडिकेटेड है। आज हम आपको कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट टिप्स और ट्रिक्स देंगे जो आपके इंटरव्यू प्रिपरेशन में मददगार साबित होंगे। अगर आपको हमारा कंटेंट पसंद आए तो प्लीज लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। क्वेश्चन A. Which IRC code covers the quality management? Answer A. IRC SP 112. Question 2. What are the classes of quality assurance? Answer Do. Classes of quality assurance class nomenclature. Nominal QAQ1, Normal QAQ2, High QAQ3, Extra High QAQ4. Question: What are the various components of quality management plan? Answer: The main components of quality management plan are as under. I. Brief particulars of projects. 2. Scope of civil works. 3. Applicable documents and references. 4. Quality policy. We. Contractors organizations. 6. Control of methodology. 7. Human resources and training. 8. Control of materials and product identifications. 9. Control of machinery. X. Control of laboratory testing facilities. 11. Control of traffic management. 12. Interaction between personnel of contractor and engineer. Question: Why do you carry out calibration of laboratory equipments? Answer: The calibration is done so that results are accurate. Question: What is the frequency of calibration of laboratory equipments? Answer: Sister no. 1 load measuring devices compression testing every year, yearly. 2 length measuring devices micrometers calipers steel rules dial gauges every year, yearly. 3 temperature measuring instruments thermometers ovens water baths every year, yearly. And before use. 4 time measuring devices stopwatches every year, yearly. 5 weighing machines physical, electronic and common balances, weights every year, yearly. 6 monthly based on the use. 6 plants hot mix plant, wet mix plant batching plant every 3 months. Question: Which IRC code is applicable for 2 to 4 lane or new 4 lane construction of highways? Answer: IRC, SP, 84 से 2019, Manual of Specifications and Standards for 4 laning of highways and IRC, SP, 87 for 6 laning. Question: What are the guidelines for use of new material in the project? Answer: IRC, SP, 87, describe following conditions. The proposed new material should be equal or better product. It should be covered in any of the international standards, code of practice specifications guidelines etc. The new material should have been used in similar projects and certified for its successful performance, for at least for 5 years its service life. Question: What are the various types of girders for bridges? Answer: Various type of bridge girders are RCC girder, PSC pretension girder, PSC post-tension girder, PSC box girder, composite girder, bowstring girder etc. Question: What do you understand by PSC girder? Answer: Full form of the PSC is pre-stressed concrete. Here PSC girder stands for a girder in which desired compressive stress is induced in the girder to contract designed live load and dead load. Question: What all you will check before launching in PSC girder? Answer: Checkpoints are as follows. 1. The girder shall be checked visually for any cracks on surface etc. 2. Hogging shall be checked to ensure it is within permissible limit. 3. Complete barricading of the area shall be ensured for safety. 4. The site of erection and the approach to be leveled, dressed and rolled, if required, so that the machineries whiz, cranes and trailers move and can be placed on firm ground in correct position. 5. All lifting tackles whiz, slings, deshackle, U-clamp ropes and temporary packing with wooden block etc. to be checked regarding the quality soundness and kept near site. 6. Bridge bearing location over bearing pedestal has to be checked. 7. Temporary girder arresting arrangement after launching need to be ensured to avoid falling of girder. Art. Entire movement area of girder has to be cordoned for the movement of workforce and general public. Question: what are the various types of pile testing? Answer: basically there are two types of pile testing. I. Initial load test. 2. Routine load test. Question: what do you understand by high performance concrete? Answer: high performance concrete, HPC, is designed for at least one following outstanding property. I. Compressive strength. 2. Workability. 3. Enhance resistance to chemical or mechanical stress. Usually water-cement ratio is kept 0.2. Question: what is difference between quality assurance quality control? Answer: quality control can be defined as part of quality management focused on fulfilling quality requirements, while quality assurance relates to how a process is performed or how a product is made. Question: what do you understand by Proctor test and modified Proctor test? Answer: Proctor test is a process of finding optimum moisture content, OMC, at which highest density can be achieved through compaction. Modified Proctor test is performed to know the characteristics of soil through compaction with change in water content, ultimately giving us the relation between soil moisture content and dry density of soil. Question: what do you understand by Construction and Demolition Waste Management Rule 2016? Answer: during construction and demolition lot of waste is getting generated. The MoFC, Ministry of Environment, Forest, Climate Change, has made rule to effectively tackle the issue of pollution and waste management. These rules apply to everyone who generate waste during construction demolition. I. Duties of waste generator: segregate the waste, no littering to avoid obstruction to traffic drain, submit plan for management of waste. 2. Duties of service providers contractors. 3. Duties of state government. 4. Duties of central government. Duties of pollution control boards. Question: what are the various types of highway pavements? Answer: basically, highway pavements are two types, I. Rigid, 2. Flexible. Question: what are the various layers in rigid pavements? Answer: pavement quality concrete, M40, PQC, 280 to 300 mm, dry lean concrete, DLC, 150 mm. Granular sub-base, GSB, 150 to 300 mm, sub-grade 500 meters embankment. Question: what are the various layers in flexible pavements? Answer: BC, bituminous concrete, 50 mm or 40 mm. DBM, dense bituminous macadam, 90 mm to 130 mm. WMM, wet mix macadam, 250 mm, in two layers 125 mm each. GSB, granular sub-base CTGSB, 200 mm to 300 mm. Subgrade, 500 mm embankment. Question: what are the various grades of DBM? Answer: 18 DBM is two types, grade 1 grade 2. BC is two types, grade 1 grade 2. Question: what is permissible limit for gradient? Answer: plain rolling terrain, ruling 2.5%, limiting 3.3%. Mountains ruling 5%, limiting 6.0%. Question: what are vertical clearance for underpasses? Answer: vehicle underpass, vertical 5.5 meters. Question: what is minimum height requirement for embankment? Answer: I. Top of the subgrade shall be at least 0.60 m above the general ground level in case of existing road. 2. Bottom of the subgrade shall be 1.0 meters above the HFL. Question: what does CBR stands for? Answer: California bearing ratio. Higher the CBR value indicates better quality of earth. Question: what is the method of design of flexible pavement? Answer: flexible pavement is designed as per IRC 37. Design is based on traffic in MSA and CBR value of soil. Question: what is the method of designing rigid pavement? Answer: rigid pavement are designed as per IRC 58 as plain joined rigid pavements for highways. Question: what is design period for flexible pavements? Answer: I. 15 years minimum design period subject to design traffic shall not be less than 20 MSA. 2. Stage construction shall not be permitted as per new code. Question: what is design period for rigid pavements? Answer: minimum design period 30 years. No stage construction. Question: What is permissible roughness value? Answer: rigid pavement, 2000 mm per kilometer for each lane. Flexible pavement, 1800 mm per kilometer for each lane. Roughness is measured twice a year. Question: What are the various tests to be performed on soil to ascertain its suitability for road construction? Answer: I. CBR value. In case available material fails to meet requirement of CBR, then use of stabilization method to be followed. Free swelling index, max permissible is 50%. Liquid limit, max permissible 50. Plasticity index, max permissible 25. Question: What are the various things to check to ascertain its suitability of sand for road construction? Answer: I. Sand should be free from mica contents, otherwise it shall affect durability of concrete. 2. It should be free from dirt silt, otherwise it should be washed drained for at least 72 hours before use. Question: What are the various tests to be performed on aggregate to ascertain its suitability for road construction? Answer: Item: aggregate impact value, maximum; abrasion value, maximum; combined elongation and flakiness indices, maximum; water absorption, maximum. GSB 40%, 2%. WMM 30%, 40%, 35%, 2%. DBM 27%, 35%, 35%, 2%. BC 24%, 30%, 35%, 2%. Question: What are various grades of bitumen used in highway construction? Answer: VG 40, VG 30, VG 20, VG 10. VG strength of viscosity grade. Question: How do you measure score depth practically when the pier is underwater? Answer: It is determined by actual measurement on ground by soundings, using heavy plumb, or physical measurements using long bamboo. Question: What do you understand by PSC girder? Answer: Full form of the PSC is pre-stressed concrete. Here PSC girder stands for a girder in which desired compressive stress is induced in the girder to contract designed live load and dead load. Question: What are the various types of pile testing? Answer: Basically there are two types of pile testing: I. Initial load test, 2. Routine load test. Question: Why do you carry out pile load testing? Answer: We do pile load testing to find out load carrying capacity of the pile. Initial pile load testing is done to find out the ultimate load carrying capacity of the pile. And routine load test is done to ensure design load. Question: What is difference between quality assurance quality control? Answer: Quality control can be defined as part of quality management focused on fulfilling quality requirements, while quality assurance relates to how a process is performed or how a product is made. Question: What do you understand by Proctor test and modified Proctor test? Answer: Proctor test is a process of finding optimum moisture content, OMC, at which highest density can be achieved through compaction. Modified Proctor test is performed to know the characteristics of soil through compaction with change in water content, ultimately giving us the relation between soil moisture content and dry density of soil. Question: What do you understand by work zone traffic management plan? Answer: The measures taken in the construction zone to ensure safety and smooth movement of traffic is called Work Zone Traffic Management Plan, IRC, SP, 55. Following are considered: safety for road users and workers, minimum hindrance for delay to road users, clear guidance to road users to avoid confusion, roadside safety by barricading. This is achieved by proper road signs, barricading, flag system for regulating traffic movements, traffic cones, hazard markers, retro-reflective painting, for night signs, etc. Question: What do you understand by calming measures? Answer: Traffic calming measures are to make roads safer so that drivers are forced to slow down. These are speed humps, center island, realignment, traffic circle, entryways, speed table, raised crosswalk, lane narrowing, median barriers, etc. Question: What do you understand by composite girders? Answer: bridges where the concrete deck slabs and the main girders of steel work together to resist loads are called composite girder bridges. Question: what is the designed life of structures? Ans. 41 All components are designed for 100 years. Question: what are the various types of foundations for bridges? Answer: I. Open foundations, 2. Pile foundations, 3. Well foundations, 4. Raft foundations.